There are two requirements for making a great YouTube video: great video quality and awesome audio quality. Now, any major flagship from the past 2 to 3 years can get you great video quality. However, on the audio side, not so much. Well, I think I finally found a solution to that problem if you're just starting out on YouTube or you want to increase the audio game of your channel significantly. Let me introduce to you the Purple Panda Lavalier microphone. Welcome to Ike's Tech Talk. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, thank you so much for being here. While you're here, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. And with that being said, let's get started. So for the unboxing experience, you're gonna see that we have just a plain box, and you can turn it over here. Just some warning labels, things of that nature. Nothing too exciting. When you actually open it up here, you're gonna actually see that we have first, it's just a thank you, asking for just a 1-minute review. I'll probably go ahead and just upload this video for the review just to help them out. And then here we got our user guide. Set to the side. Returns or compatibility issues, email them for support every day of the week apparently. That's good to know. And then also just, a thank you, and then they give you a free gift for being a customer. That's actually pretty cool. That's on the back there. And then I'm really liking this foam padding here on the top and bottom of the box, just for secure packaging. You don't see that too often. They kind of just throw it in here when you're looking at this price point. This mic was only about 30 bucks or so on Amazon, so I wasn't expecting anything too good. The bag that's holding everything actually feels really premium, so that's always good as well. We'll go ahead and open it up. Let's see. Okay, so you get a myriad of cables in here. That's also good. All right, so first thing, this is it's the 3.5 extender. So if the cable that I guess comes with the mic already installed isn't long enough, you can use this to get even further. That's good. Then we'll go ahead and pull this one. This is, maybe this is the TRS to TRRS adapter. That way, if you need that special type of, or the compatibility, I should say, is off, you can use that. Oh, and then something fell out. Okay, so we have, so this is the windshield that you can put right over the microphone itself, just in case you're gonna be filming outside. Wanna block some of that wind. And then, so this is either micro or mini USB to 3.5 millimeter jack adapter. So they kind of set you up for success no matter which way you choose to use this mic. If you choose to use it, say for connecting it directly to your computer like a MacBook, or if you're connecting it to any other device, they kind of set you up for success, which is really good too. And we have that, which is actually the actual mic, but we do have something else in here too. Oh, an additional clip. I'm missing just in case you lose the clip that actually came with it. You have an additional one there, and then bag's empty. We'll sit that right there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mic itself. So the reason why I was looking at this mic specifically, I watched Greggles TV review on it, and it actually sounded really good. He also mentioned, as you can see here, that it does already come with the kind of foam cover already attached. Some of the mics I was looking at on Amazon didn't have that. I'm not sure if it's something that usually comes by default, but this one had it, so I was good to go. Already has a clip installed, so that one, like I said, is just a backup in case you lose this one here. So like I said, this is gonna do it for the unboxing portion of this video, guys. Like I said, you get a ton of different cables and a ton of different ways to connect this particular mic. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the sound test, which I'm sure you guys are all dying to hear. Okay guys, so at this point in the video, you should already be able to hear, the difference. But what I wanted to do was an experiment with my old mic setup, which was essentially just the audio from the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And I want to compare that to the audio from the Purple Panda mic, the new mic setup. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and unplug the mic, do a quick shot so that way you guys can hear the audio from the iPhone 12 Pro Max as a point of reference. And then I'm gonna switch over to the Purple Panda so you guys can hear the audio from that. So like I said, I'm gonna have down at the bottom of each video which is which at whatever time, so that way you guys know exactly what you're hearing at each stage in the video. Be right back. Alright guys, so I want to do a quick test of the audio. Right now, what you guys are hearing is the audio directly from the mic of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Like I said, it's not bad, but it definitely could be a little bit better. You're probably hearing a lot more of the wind going around because I do have some wind here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and insert in the Purple Panda mic. Be back in just a second. Okay guys, got the Purple Panda inserted in now. So do me a favor, go ahead and let me know if the quality sounds better. I'm sure it is. Like I said, I haven't heard it yet myself, but I did a little bit of testing earlier and it sounded substantially better. So like I said, now we are using the Purple Panda Lavalier mic. So just let me know how the sound is down in the comment section down below. So that's the audio from the Purple Panda microphone. Leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the audio quality. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe, ladies and gentlemen.